So my name is Annika Peacock. I am a digital marketer, graphic designer, prompt engineer, relatively cool person living in Chester, California, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I edit AI-generated lace patterns and other patterns in Photoshop for use in surface printing designs that I'm going to be selling for passive income on sites like Zazzle, Etsy, and Spoonflower. So the first thing is these files that I am importing right now are just enormous. And the reason why they're really, really big is because I'm going to be applying them in a minimally tiled pattern to the human body and or in Spoonflower because I need the resolution to be really, really high in order to get an adequately sized pattern to fit on, say, a wall. So this is a lace pattern that I actually generated because I was going for a certain kind of saucy lingerie look on a set of leggings, and I will show you how those ended up looking. Oh, aren't they cute? Yes. So you see, this is actually only tiled once around the waistband, and I will get into that in a future video. The rest of the pattern is just basically intact as a very large file. So what I'm going to do here is I'm looking to kind of replicate, a European lingerie buff and black look. I'm not going to go ahead and call it skin tone because I don't think anybody has skin tones look like this. But the idea is kind of black lace and then some kind of a buff underlay. It kind of reminds me of like a Cosabella bra or some of the cutout type transparency leggings that Rihanna and Fenty are doing currently. And I love that idea. I love those patterns, and so I'm trying to replicate it, showing minimal skin, just by manipulating images and getting the colors right. So what I did was I went through and I started just kind of trying to find a color overlay that would work. A gradient overlay also works. It's a little bit more haphazard, and the reason why I didn't do this as a prompt in Midjourney is because I don't like it when Midjourney gets creative with my patterns. So I asked it for black and white images. It gave me black and white images, and that is what I am editing now to turn into what I was kind of imagining in my head as something cool to apply on leggings. So here I'm just going to walk you through a little bit of my process. I am using various color overlays. Really, this is just experimental. You can't predict exactly how this is going to turn out with an AI-generated image. So I'm just very quickly scrolling through different colors that I think might work to achieve that sort of fake nude color that they use for underlays on black lace. And I'm also experimenting with blend modes, and that is pretty much the process. I got this kind of buffy nude band-aid color underneath. I think it looks pretty sharp. It's going to look amazing on the leggings, and you will see how that turns out, how I overlay things in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.